Attention XRP fans, what a chart you're gonna love here. We have a beautiful market structure here showing on this 3 days chart. And after this beautiful massive rally that we experienced at the end of 2024 and into 2025, this has been a game of patience. This has been a long accumulation pattern that is still going on right now as we speak. There is some hope and some concerns. The hope is this market structure screams bullishness on the long term. So, what about the short term? Well, what we can see is that on the 3 days chart, we have a higher high and a higher low after this breakout here, and then another higher high and another higher low. Depending on the broker you're looking at, you may see a different wick because the price was different from a broker to another. But on this chart here on Coinbase, you can see that even this recent crash that happened was powerfully rejected, created a beautiful wick that even then created a higher low. So our bullish structure on the long-term macro market structure is still bullish. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. However, what is next? Well, we see that with this long multi-months, almost a year of accumulation here, is it distribution or is it reaccumulation? We see that this level of support was beautifully held so far, and even lately when we went down and threatened to enter a bear market, we see some nice rejection and a beautiful save. Since the past weekend, we have a beautiful move to the upside. However, caution is needed. We are still under resistance, heavy resistance here, and also we can see that on a lower time frame, we are still right now with a lower high to break to the upside. On the macro structure, this is a higher high and this is a higher low, but we are yet to prove that we're not going to have a lower low. As long as this current downtrend is not broken to the upside, we're still technically in a short-term downtrend. For us to prove bullishness on XRP, we need to break this lower high here and prove this to be a new support rather than a resistance. Once we achieve that, we can expect this pattern to break to the upside.